We'll be looking at some of the functions that we have here in the ribbon here. So I'll be looking at some popular one like the font, the alignment. Let's just work with the font and alignment for now. As we go on into it, we are going to be using everything. So like I said, I've shown us the ribbon, the title, the taskbar, everything like that. And here, like I said earlier, this my cell is active. And as it is active here, we have it here also shown. This is telling us that F3 is active, is the one that we have our cursor on. And if I want you to be sure of what this thing is, and you can see that it's working also. So if you can say A1 and I click on enter, you will see that we have it here. This is our A1, like I said in the first video. A1 cell, A and 1, where they meet is the A1 cell. If I click on, if I go here again and say G3 and I click enter, you can see that it gives me G3 and it's also showing here. This place is our formula bar, meaning that wherever we type on this cell, we show there. Let me type something like sales. Can we see that we have it here? We have it here now. So as I have it here, if I click enter, it goes to the next cell, meaning it is saved there. If I want to leave this cell now or this workbook now, I will click on save and I will have this cell recorded. Also, and I can also try to edit it by double tapping. When I double tap it, it edits. I can type it again and say purchase. Maybe I made a mistake of sales instead of purchase. And when I click enter again, it is saved. So those are the simple terms that we can make ourselves familiar with as beginners. And also another thing I can say is that we can also make a bolding headers. If we want to make our header to be bold, we can make it like this. Go to this place, this B here, you click on it, it makes everything bold. I can also I can feel like maybe I want to make it bigger than the rest. Just to go here, make it like 14. Now it's bigger, right? So I don't want it like this. I want it to expand the more. I want it to expand. Yes, okay. Now I have everything expanded and we have our product ID, product name, price, and then department ID bolding. Okay, if I now I can also put this in italic like this. Can you see? It's in italic form. I can remove it. I can remove my bold. I can put it back. I can put underline. Anything you feel like doing with this thing. You can just go and input some information on your Excel after this video and practice all these things. I can also make this my letter. I can just give them a number. Maybe I want to make it like I want to play around something. I just give them color like this, it will give me this color. So those are the simple things that we should make ourselves familiar with before we go more into the necessary things. Also, we have merge and center. If you want to merge, if you want to wrap text, if you want to make these ones, maybe for instance, now I want to make this to be in the center. I can put it like this. I want to be in the center like this. So can you see? If I remove it, it go back again. So these are little things. Also here, I want to make this, maybe I want to give it, we're talking about price here. I want to give it prices. I can go like this, go to currency and give it price. It shows that way because I have my currency in Naira already. It can also be dollar, it can also be pound, it can also be euro, anything you like, you choose. So those are the little things I want to show us in this video. And in my next video, we go into other aspects of Excel. Here we have the worksheet, and if I want to add another worksheet, I can just click on this plus sign here and add a new worksheet. Now we are on a new worksheet, and I double tap on it, and I can name it Ayomide. So that's a new worksheet. And if I go back to this place, my worksheet is saved. So in this workbook now, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worksheets. So those are the things that we are going to see in this video.